Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start our new chapter number 7, that is sound and hearing. First of all, what is sound? Sound is a form of energy just like the light, and that is also traveled from one place to another place. And this conversion is taken up by our ears, and our ears detect this energy, and then we can find out the way or the source of the sound that is producing that sound. So sound come from different ways. That may be from the traffic, that may be from machines, televisions, or some radios. This sound can be classified into the following, such as sound can be pleasant, it may be nuisance, and it can also be dangerous. Then the question arises that how sounds are made. Sounds are made actually when something vibrates. Here we have musical instruments, and all the musical instruments have the parts that vibrates. Here we have the guitar and a clarinet and a group of singers. In first of all, if we take the guitar, then in the guitar we have the strings that vibrates. When someone do the strings, then it will be vibrate, and of course sound will be produced. Just like in the clarinet, when you blow into the clarinet, we have an air column inside it, and when someone blow into the clarinet, then the air column inside it vibrates. And here we have a group of singers. In the group of singers, there is also a vibration, and that vibration is in their vocal cords in their throat. You can imagine that vibration by putting your hand against your throat and saying something or producing a sound of ah. This will produce the vibration in your vocal cords, and you can also feel the vibration and then the sound. There is an interesting thing about the bongo drum, that sounds from the bongo drum can be changed. And how this happen? This happen when the player squeezes the drum. It means that the size or the surface area of the drum will be decreased, and this will produce and this will tighten the skin of the drum, and it will produce a higher sound. This was about the bongo drum. And next we have the test yourself, in which the questions are asked about the sounds production. First of all, how do humans and other animals detect sound energy? So we know that we can detect energy by our ears, by the sensory organs, that is our ear. Second one is how are sounds made. So the simple answer of this is sounds are made when something vibrates. Third question is name two musical instruments, first of all, that have vibrating strings. So as we discussed in this, we have the vibrating strings in the guitar and in the violin. The part B is that you blow into. We blow into the clarinet and also the flute. Next, that you hit. We hit the drum or the tambourine. Next question is explain how humans produced speech sounds. So when our vocal cords vibrate and the movement of our tongue, This will produce the sound, this will produce the vibration, and eventually it will cause the sound. It was all about the sound and hearing and the uh, production of the sounds. Hope it will be clear to you. Thank you.